In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use a ticket trigger to reset the assignee field when a customer replies and reopens a solved ticket. This workflow ensures that another agent has the opportunity to take on the reopened ticket. To create the trigger, open the Zendesk Products icon in the top bar, then select Admin Center. In the sidebar, open Objects and Rules, and, under Business Rules, select Triggers. In the Triggers page, select the Create Trigger button. Enter the trigger name, for example, Unassign Reopened Tickets. Add a description, and choose a category for the trigger. As the rule will remove the assignee of the ticket, the category for this trigger in this example is Routing. Under Meet all of the following conditions, select Ticket Status. Changed from Solved. Next, select Current User, Is, End User. Then, under Actions, add Assignee, Ticket, blank. When you are done, select Create Trigger. This way, whenever a customer changes the ticket status from solved to open, the assignee field will become blank. Consequently, other agents will see it in their views and work on the ticket. Thanks for watching!